Saturday morning, 9:30. The rain has annoyingly just begun as I leave home and I'm on my way to a local car meet. It's called a supercar meet, but a young car spotter who lives in my area is organising it. He's obviously going to be there, and I met up with him like once, and I said to him, can I bring my Abarth along to your supercar meet? So he said yes. So we're on our way first to get petrol, second to one of the meeting points down the road from me, and then we're going to go in a massive, well, hopefully a big convoy full of supercars and my Abarth to a pub. So first of all, my petrol light is on, so I need to go and top that up, because obviously today I'm out and tomorrow, Sunday, I'm at the Haynes Boat Museum, so I need petrol for that. So first, let's go and get the Abarth full up. Been to BP, gave the Abarth a drink, collected some nectar points, as that all helps as well. Now we're on to the first meeting destination, so let's see if anyone is going to bring their nice supercars out in this rainy weather. Just need to hopefully look out for some other people. They might be in the car park, so let's go down a stretch of... Now there's an Audi. Oh, they waved to me, that's nice. Another Abarth. Oh, that's probably not part of me though, to be fair. Yeah, here's a boy over here, I think. Yeah, we're here. GTR here and a Focus RS. And a Golf R that I was following down here, but I got directions out because I was lost, so they're here. But technically I beat them. I must have gone a different way to them. But we're here, guys. Still raining, but let's see what sort of footage we can get anyway. And hopefully a few more cars turn up. Oh dear, this group's a bit nutty. An Alfa Romeo's just turned up, an old one. An Audi's just turned up sideways in the car park, and a Porsche as well. Oh, Lamborghini's just coming in. And a BMW. I should really brave the rain and get out in a second and show you what's here. Oh wow, it's Lamborghini's quick. Park next to me. Yeah, got a Lamborghini coming next to me. Oh, he's going that side. I'm gonna get out. Here we are at the meeting point. There's about 10 cars here, a couple of GTRs, I'm the only Abarth, a Focus RS, an old Alfa Romeo, Lamborghini, a couple of Porsches, Audi, Mercedes, so I'll show you around the cars that are here now. Right guys, I'm currently in the car because I've been stood out in the rain for about half an hour with no umbrella, just a raincoat. It's 5 to 11 and we should be setting off at 11 o'clock for a convoy down to the pub. Like I say, good turnout. Obviously there would be more cars here if it hadn't been raining, but still it's nice to see people coming out in the rain, because like myself, I haven't really got anything better to do, so I might as well come out in the car. I'm the only yellow car here, of course, and the lady keeps saying to me, oh, your car's a little ray of sunshine, because it's so bright, and a lot of the cars here are grey or black or white. So I've got the brightest car here, along probably with the Focus RS, which you can just see through my steamy window. I love that blue. Yeah, so we should be heading off in a minute, and I've got the GoPro ready to hopefully get some car action, so hopefully this lot don't drive too fast. Convoy is beginning. Let's hope we don't get lost. Everyone's getting their lights on and getting ready to go. helping me out in this wet weather. Right guys, we're at the pub now. I've just sneaked outside while it's sort of dry, but as I'm saying it's dry, it's starting to rain again. Corfe Castle is behind me there, and we're here in the car park full of the nice cars that have come along to the pub in the convoy. So I'm just going to show you what's here. I got lost towards the very end, had to use sat nav, but I was the last to turn up pretty much. This Audi S3 with a cool number plate, love the colour. This was randomly turned up in convoy halfway through, was behind me until it overtook me and I lost that. The Golf R, carbon mirrors, love the white wheels. They just get dirty quite quick being white, but obviously they're quite easy to clean. It's very nice. BMW M Sport as well. Black GTR, a Porsche, another GTR with a wicked number plate. Toys, Lamborghini, Mercedes. I don't know much about the models of these cars, so sorry about that. Another Golf R, a very loud and quick Audi, and the Focus RS. The RS and the Audi and the white GTR was following on the way here, and the Audi S3, I lost them all, but yeah. And then oh, there's a train track there as well, so it's a really nice location. So yeah, and I didn't get much convoy footage only because I lost everyone and everyone got sort of separated, so yeah. I think I'm just going to do some cinematic shots of the cars while I've got the whole car park to myself, so let's do this. So guys, I've been outside for a while, been a bit antisocial, taking photos of the car, getting some footage for this video here that I'm making for you guys. I cleaned the Abarth. It's really got mud splatters and goodness knows what on it because obviously it's raining today. So when I get home, probably give it a quick jet wash, quick go around with the water, and get it ready for Haynes' breakfast meet tomorrow, which I'm also filming at, so I've got a very busy weekend. See? She's got a muddy bum bum. Yesterday it was a clean bum bum. Front's not looking too bad actually, and the seals aren't actually too bad. It's mainly a little bit of dirt around the Abarth. The wheels are still looking cleanish. It's just mainly the rear, but I'll get it sorted when we get back. We're now leaving the pub. I'm back behind the RS Focus, or I was until it just left me. Come on! So yeah, that was a really cool meet. We had a private car park to ourselves, a private function room all to ourselves. There's only a few ladies there. I was obviously one of like a few. I'm currently following the Focus RS, which was the same way I sort of got here. Got the Audi behind me and a white GTR. Yeah, I'm I'm trying to take my Abarth obviously to more meets this year, so I can get my name out there, hopefully get a few more people onto my YouTube channel and over to my Instagram as well. And to get that audience, you have to go and get it basically. So yeah, this is one of the sort of first meets I've been to this year, because we haven't had one of our Abarth club meets yet. So yeah, and obviously tomorrow I'm at the Haynes breakfast meet, because I haven't been there for a few months. That's one I like to go to every so often, because that's quite a good turnout as well. So the Abarth's going to have a hard week of driving around. I'm probably going to put some miles on her for once. So yeah, it's going to be nice to take out the Abarth and put a few miles on her, and hopefully it's not like this tomorrow, because it's literally rained all day, and that's why I haven't really got too much outdoor footage, and yeah, not much convoy footage either, because I pretty much lost everyone because they're all faster than me. But still, I hope you've enjoyed the video and the footage I have got. Quite a good turnout as well, considering it is rainy and wet and horrible. Oh, the RS is going, but there's a speed camera there. He stopped. A show I have been accepted into is the Abarth, my Abarth, and the Panda VIP, my dad's Panda VIP. We have been accepted into Festival Italia. So again, I haven't been to that event before, so that's a really good Italian car meet to go to. So my dad's had his show pass ticket come through already. I'm just waiting for mine to come through, and then that is it. It's official. We're going to Festival Italia. Hopefully, that's in August, so hopefully it'll be nice. We have a nice summer. And again, I'll be taking you guys with me to that. So yeah, I really need to get out some more car meets this year, get some miles on the Abarth, go up and down the country, see what meets we can find and what people we meet at that. So yeah, this year should be a good year for us. Right, GTR goes. I'll just let them all overtake me. I can't fight with the big boys. Move out of the way, so I can get past. No, I'm going to lose one now because I can't move out of the way. Oh, why am I stuck behind really stupid drivers? Oh my goodness me. No one's moving, no one understands. I was on a convoy and now I'm not. This video anyway of me going to my first car meet of the year. If you have, give me a like, let me know what your favourite car was down below in the comments, and don't be biased and say my car, but please do say my car. No, there's a lot more faster cars at this meet, and that's just been proven, because I've now just been left way behind as they all raced off into the rain and the cloud. And yeah, subscribe to my YouTube channel and help me reach my goal of trying to get 1,000 subscribers as soon as possible. And head over to my Instagram to see photos that I took from today's meet. And yeah, I'm off home now. Have a nice cup of tea, because even at the pub I had a cold Coke, so it'd be nice to get home, have a nice cup of tea, edit this video and get ready for tomorrow's outing and get ready for tomorrow's video as well. So I'll see you guys later. Bye bye.